In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist for meal planning. Planning meals can be a cumbersome process, especially if you're balancing a busy lifestyle with the desire to eat healthily. Luckily, the organizational tool Todoist offers a neat solution to streamline your meal planning. So let's dive in and make your life a bit easier and your meals a lot more enjoyable. First things first, visit the Todoist website. This is where your journey to organized meal planning begins. Once you have the page up, you'll notice the option to log in. Click on that as we need to access your account to start planning. If you don't have an account yet, now would be a good time to create one. It's a straightforward process, and Todoist offers free and premium versions depending on your needs. Now that you're prompted to log in, type in your email address in the designated field. Make sure it's the one you registered with or intend to register your new account with. Hit enter or click on the next button and you'll be prompted to input your password. Type your password carefully and then click on the login button. Voila! You're now inside your Todoist account, ready to tackle meal planning like a pro. Upon successfully logging in, your next destination is the Today view in Todoist. This view shows you what's on your agenda for the current day. But we're going to navigate away from this to focus on meal planning. Look for the Home button. This is where all your projects and tasks reside, including the new meal planning project we'll be creating. The Home view gives you an overview of everything, but we're diving deeper. Once in your Home dashboard, keep an eye out for the three dots or the More Options menu. Click on it to unfold additional options that Todoist offers for project management. Among these options, you'll find Browse Templates. This is a treasure trove of pre-designed project templates for a plethora of needs, including meal planning. Once you click on Browse Templates, you'll be taken to a page where Todoist categorizes all its templates. Look for meal planning or navigate to the meal planning section. Todoist has various templates tailored to different planning styles, so you're likely to find one that matches your preferences. This template will serve as the foundation of your meal planning project, making it easier to get started. When you've found a meal planning template that suits your needs, click on it to view more details. Here you'll find a button labelled Import to Project. Clicking on this will add the template to your Todoist, automatically setting up a new project dedicated to meal planning. It's that simple. Now, with the meal planning template imported into your account, it's time to personalize it to fit your needs. You can add tasks for each meal you plan to prepare, assign due dates to shop for ingredients, and even share the project with family members or roommates if you're planning meals together. The beauty of using Todoist for this purpose is the flexibility and customization it offers, making meal planning a breeze. And there you have it. You're well on your way to becoming a meal planning maestro with Todoist as your tool of choice. With this setup, you'll streamline your meal preparation process, save time, and possibly even discover some new recipes along the way. Remember, the key to successful meal planning is consistency and flexibility, so feel free to tweak your Todoist project as you go along to better suit your evolving tastes and schedules. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to use Todoist for meal planning. Be sure to experiment with the features and find a rhythm that works best for you. Happy planning, and may your meals be delicious and your planning hassle-free.